Good morning there, Poppy. Chris, I'm having a bit of a clear out. I can see that. What have you got there? I've got my Christmas hat. You've got your Christmas hat. Which is not Christmas, not yet. I've got to take that off. Oh, anything else? Just got to check around here. I've got this spoon. I'm going to go make yourself some breakfast. So what's for breakfast? I'm going to have some fruit. You're going to have some fruit, are you? Yes, I am. So happy Thanksgiving. Is it, Chris? We have a Thanksgiving dinner? Well, we'll have dinner. That'd be good, Chris. So, Poppy, come here, Poppy, come here. Poppy. What's that? Did you whistle, Chris? I did whistle, trying to get your attention. So happy Thanksgiving, happy Poppy. Come here. On my hand. Well done. You're very good, aren't you? You're not going to answer that, are you, Chris? I'm good, only on camera. Happy Thanksgiving.